Hey everyone, again guys, I do apologize for that. What happened was, guys, my battery died again, so if you see this little black strip right there, guys, I do apologize. Just what happened was, guys, my battery died, so anyway, guys, so what happened was we got 2 laps to go left in this race at Richmond. When that was, the caution came out. If you haven't seen it, make sure you guys go back and watch it. I do apologize, so anyway, we're going to go ahead and get on going. Green flag. 2 laps to go. Our goal is we have to get a top 10 finish here. If we don't, we lose the set of contract. So
back it down.
here we go, boys. White flag. That's okay. I'll take 7th. 7th place at Richmond. So that means now we complete the set of contract. It's how the way we want it. And that's how the finishing results look. John Hunter Nemechek wins the race. Congrats to him. Justin Allgaier, teammate, finished 4th. Ray Black Jr. finished 5th. That's where we should have finished, but then my car went straight to the top. But hey, we finished 7th. So that's okay. And we go through everybody else. And Tommy Joe Barnes was the last one. Alright, so that means, guys, we complete the set of contract. We'll add that to our budget. And we got some messages. Kaz Gralla. No one is better than Justin Garn. I mean, that's my best friend that we're talking about. I appreciate it. And, hey, Justin Garn, what was that all about? Seriously, you totally took me out last race. I'll apologize to you, and we're good. Oh boy, now we have to figure out contracts. 2 top 15s, 3 top 10s, or 4 top 5s. Because let's see. Talladega, Dover, Charlotte, and Pocono. There's no way in heck, guys, we will get a top 5 at Charlotte. There's no way, because Charlotte is a really, really tough track anymore. So I'm thinking about going with the 3 top 10s. So I know it's not the budget I want, but hey, I'm going with the 3 top 10s. Oh boy, new contracts. We're not way bad. So we're going off to Talladega now. So let's go ahead, guys. Let's get on to Talladega. And let's see what we can do at Talladega. So again, guys, I do apologize. This is definitely not the way I want to set an angle of a camera at all. But, so we're going to fix this and we're going to get back to you in a second. Alright, here we are, guys. We're here at Talladega. That's a lot better. I got rid of this black thing that was in the way. I got rid of it. So we are good to go. So anyway, we're going off Talladega. I didn't qualify. So anyway, we were supposed to start 40th, but we're starting 37th. Anyway, let's get on with the race. Here we go. Green flag is in the air here at Talladega. Two-lap shootout in this one. As right now, guys, we're coming off turn 4. White flag, final lap here in stage 1. We're clear back in 34th. place right now. We need to get closer, and plus we need to start on the bottom. So that means we got to get every spot we can get. You know what, I'll give up that spot right there so I can start on the bottom. That's not the way we want it, but we'll move on from it. Okay, we got 13 laps remaining, 6 laps on fuel. We're going to stay out. Okay, cars, so I guess here we go again. Again, we stayed out, so let's go and get this done. Green flag is back in the air. Two laps to go here at Talladega for stage 2. So we did not get no points in stage 1. I say we're probably not going to get no points in stage 2 either. So that means we're going to have to start moving right now if we want to get up there. So we're going to have to start moving right now. White flag, final lap in stage 2. We're going 4 wide. 4 wide just for 15th place. Almost 197 miles per hour. Oh, we're going 4 wide again. No points in stage 1, no points in stage 2. Alright, we got 10 laps remaining. Everybody is pitting. I'm going to pit with everybody else and probably just get me, just give me enough fuel for the finish. Right side tires, and I'm going to do it like that. Oh boy, we're in the lead. Alright, here we go. Green flag here at Talladega. I decided to just take 2 right side tires only. I mean, ooh, yeah, we got 9 laps to go left in this race. 8 laps on fuel. So that means we're 1 lap short. That means all of us here, everyone is 1 lap short. That's not good when all of us here are all 1 lap short. That's not good. That is completely not good when we're all 1 lap short. Whoa. Almost 199 miles per hour. 7 laps to go, and some kind of teammate you are, not helping your teammate. Oh man, no. 6 laps to go at Talladega. 5 laps on fuel. We're all going to be 1 lap short. Yeah, everybody's going to be 1 lap short. Caution. Chase Briscoe. So that's what the caution's for. We're in 2nd place. Okay, Chase Briscoe. Ryan Seed. Anybody else? Nope, that's it. So anyway, 5 laps to go. We're going to stay out. Oh boy. Here we go. Wish us luck. Green flag here at Talladega. And here we go. Like I say, green flag. Anyway, green flag back in the air. 2 laps to go here at Talladega. I got to get the lead right now and hold them. We're getting ready to come down and take the white flag. Here we go, white flag. Final lap here at Talladega. Oh, here we go. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, man, I really did not want to do that, but hey, you're fighting for a win right there. I had to put him in the wall. Burn down these suckers. Heck yeah, boys. So that means, guys, we win the race. Josh Bilicki finished 3rd. Brandon Jones finished 2nd. Jeff Green, Joey Gase, Matt Niels. Single car teams or drivers that don't do very good got good solid finishes. And Mike Harmon 15th. Chase Briscoe back in 34th, and Michael Annette is out of the race. That was out of the race, so that sucked. Heck yeah, boys! That just keeps eyeing up our budget with 5 wins this year. Heck yeah, boys. Give us our trophy. Give us our trophy. Yeah. Heck yeah, boys. Give us our trophy. Oh boy, we got some video messages. Tons of them. And then we have some other messages here. So we'll get to Greg Alding. Appreciate it. BJ McLeod, I appreciate it. Austin Hill, appreciate it. Jeremy Clements, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Appreciate it. Zane Smith.
Hey, you raced the right way. Very clean and very respectful. That'll go a long way in this sport. Keep it up.
Appreciate it, Zane. Really appreciate it. Justin Allgaier.
That was your 10th career win. Congratulations.
I appreciate it. And you know what? Appreciate it.
That was your 10th win, man. Congrats. That's awesome.
10 career wins.
10 career wins. Congratulations. That's awesome.
Okay, that's just weird. That's just weird. Oh. Monster Energy Cup Series race. Hot seat. Okay. Oh, no. Not a free car team again. We could use your help driving the 71 car at Talladega this Sunday. Get a top 30 free finish, and we might consider working with you in the future. $97,500 for a top 30 free. Okay. So I guess, guys, now we're going off to Talladega for the Geico 500 at Talladega. Hoping, guys, maybe we could get a win here at Talladega. That would be pretty cool. To start, this is our second cup race. And hoping this right here, guys, will get us a win. So anyway, guys, let's get on with Talladega for our second cup race.
Today we're at Talladega Super Speedway for the running of the Geico 500. Now, Talladega is the longest track in the Monster Energy NASCAR Cup Series. So who will avoid the big one and make their way to victory lane? Let's head down to the track and find out.
All right, here we go. We're here at Talladega, so mostly, guys, we're not worried about the staffings for us in the Cup Series, so it kind of sucks. We're driving the 71 car, which sucks, but anyway, let's get on with the race. Green flag in the air here at Talladega. Driving Ryan Truex's car. This thing has no speed in it. 6 laps in stage 1, so I'm going to have to be getting every spot I can get right here. Time to get every spot you can get right now, so we raced in the Cup Series before when we subbed for BJ McLeod, and we ended up finishing the race. We finished like somewhere in the 20s, like 25th or 26th, somewhere around there, or 24th, around that, around those areas. So I'm not sure how we're going to do here at Talladega, but hey, I'm hoping maybe we can get a win. Bad enough. We're going over 202 miles per hour. Like I say, the inside of this car is different as well, so $205, 206 miles per hour. Come on, let's go to the front. Four laps to go here in stage 1. We're back to 32nd. Definitely not the what we want, but hey, it's what it is, so I'm hoping that we can get the job done. Yes, guys, we're going to have to begin stuff, get off way more sequences and stuff like that, so. Hey, it's Talladega. Anything could happen here at Talladega, so. Oh, man, we're going 4 wide. 3 laps to go here. 3 to go. Hey, what's up, BJ? I've done sub for you once, so time to get out of the way. Two laps to go. It's time to get every spot right now. Cody Ware, get out of the way, Cody Ware. A couple of drivers said he's really, really slow. They're getting aggressive, so we're getting ready to come down, take the white flag here in stage 1. White flag, final lap in stage 1. Okay, we got 16th in stage 1. So that's pretty good. We're moving on. Oh boy, we got 18 laps remaining, 4 laps on fuel. Everybody is pitting. You know what? I'm coming down pit road as well. Alright, we didn't lose any or gain any, so here we go. Here we go. Green flag is in the air. Like I meant to say again, green flag. It's a green flag's back in the air here at Talladega. 6 laps to go. Maybe we'll get our first stage points in the Cup Series. Maybe we will, maybe we won't. But hey, stage points don't mean anything to us. Our goal here for us is just to win this race, so that's our goal. Our goal is just to win this race. Five laps to go here at Talladega. Oh, I hate that birdie. I hate Michael Bedell. I hate him. I hate him. Four laps to go. Come on. 4 to go. 15th. Alright, who is the idiot that caused the caution that time? Ryan Priest won stage 2. Alright, you've got 15 laps remaining. 7 laps on fuel. Everybody is pitting. I'm coming down pit road as well. I got to get way off sequence here. I got to get off sequence. Oh boy, we're in the lead. Got Jimmy Johnson behind me. Jimmy, get well soon. Here we go. Here we go. Green flag is in the air. Come on, Jimmy. Oh, man, I did not get a good restart. Oh, this sucks. You know what that kind of sucks? Everybody's passing me. Come on, Jimmy. Oh, man, you know what? This flipping sucks. I did not get a good restart. At all, I did not get a good start. Everybody's passing me. We're going to need another caution, I believe, to have a shot to get back up here. And we're back to 14th. Oh, this sucks. This actually sucks for 14th. We got 11 laps to go, 8 laps on fuel. So, yeah, we are short on fuel. Alright, Eric Almirola can't make his darn mind where the heck he's going. And of course, you got Eric Almirola that just can't make his darn mind up where the heck he's going. Of course, so. Highest we have had, almost 207 miles per hour is the highest we have had. 10 laps to go. We are 3 laps short. I just cannot believe I did not get a good restart at all. Nine laps to go here at Talladega. We got 9 laps remaining. So yeah, we're about 3 or 4 laps short on fuel. So nobody can't make their mind up where they're going. Pick a darn line. For goodness sakes. Now they're finally getting some sense. Eight laps to go, 5 laps on fuel. I bet the caution is going to probably come out about right now, or the next lap or so. So I want to make sure I get closer and closer. Oh man, no one can't make their darn mind up. Seven laps to go. We're now in 7th place. And we only got 4 laps remaining left on fuel. Come on, Jimmy. Oh, no. Sorry, Jimmy. I'm trying to win this race for myself, too. Got 6 laps to go. We're in 4th place right now. We're getting ready to try to take the lead back. No, ain't heck I don't want Kyle Busch to win this race. Oh my gosh. Hey, they're almost going to go 3 wide for the lead. 5 laps to go. 3 laps on fuel. Oh boy, we got cars pitting. We got cars pitting. Four laps to go here. Oh man, Jimmy. Oh, I'm sorry, Jimmy. I am so sorry. Alright, I'm gonna pit this lap. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pit this lap here. Probably just come in, take fuel only, and get out. Oh, here we go. Back it down, back it down, back it down, back it down. Just give me enough fuel to get me to the finish. No tires, no fuel. Just give me enough fuel to get me to the finish line. Alright, come on, come on, come on. Come on, Truex. Let's go. Truex trying to help his brother, so... We're all driving together, and then all of them, they can't make their minds up where they're going. 5th place. Well, got our first top 5 in the Cup Series. Well, we finished 5th. Kurt Busch won the race. Corey LaJoie 2nd. And this is where everybody else finished. Oh, no, Jimmy. Oh, that sucks. Well, Jamie McMurray was the one that was out, so. We got 5th place, so. And now Almiralla brought out a caution, so. Well, hey, we were the fastest lap, so that's pretty good. Plus, we led some laps today as well, so we'll take it. Hey, we take it, we complete the thing. I appreciate it. And we got some. I'm a huge fan of Justin Carter. Others, congrats on reaching 100,000 fans. Appreciate it. Appreciate Eric Jones, Joey Logano, and Michael Bedell. I all appreciate it. So right now, guys, we'll be going off to Dover for our next race. So anyway, thank you all so much again for watching. I'm going to go ahead and end it right here, guys. So thank you again. And if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Love for y'all to come join us for more content, more videos. Anyway, still my thoughts and prayers goes out with Jimmy and his wife and his family. So also thoughts and prayers also goes out with the crew chief, not with the crew chief, but one of the crew members that was with Jimmy when this happened. So, but yeah, thoughts and prayers goes out with them. And anyway, thank you all so much again for watching. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Stay safe, everybody.